So how do we actually crossplay with Xbox and PlayStation 5? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how. So if you're trying to directly, for example on your PlayStation 5, you're trying to directly add your friend that is playing on Xbox, that will not work because you cannot add Xbox people on your PlayStation 5 directly. But there is one workaround, and that is to choose a game that both your friend and yourself is playing. So let's say your friend that is on Xbox is playing Fortnite and you on PlayStation 5 is also playing Fortnite. Then in here you're just going to add them as friend here, as you can see. So you're just gonna search for their name on Fortnite, and obviously they will have that exact name on their Xbox, so you can just write that in here, their Xbox name on Fortnite, it doesn't matter, and then just click on done, and you will be able to then add them as friends, and you will then be able to play with them together on this specific game. It doesn't have to be specifically Fortnite, of course, it can be any other games that allows crossplay basically, and that is exactly how you can actually do this.